and sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a goose. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, tell me out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. What we like, lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on checks. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sell, he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo, La Ferrari, it's a Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah. About to check, yeah, just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts that they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. I got a little mix with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the when I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay hoes with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in the pots. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mom, I saw I'm always good where I'm at. Junior, Jazzy, DJ. Know what I got, but I'm in a
couple figures to the store to collect. She fucking good and she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. These niggas smaller than a mom with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big cripple. I got the hook and there really no limit. Dead bookies and you nigga DNA. Ricky Spellers indicated with the gate. Little nigga, it's another state case. Very round motherfucker, Chase Bank tryna bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. Niggas I gotta reroute it. The nigga drippin' like I gotta see it. Got the trap jumping like Spain when I rebound. Then I'm out. Then I never talk about it. The homies squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas don't really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist on house.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. Nah, 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 nah. When you walk out, nah, 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 nah. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work, 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 work. You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Something about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the girl from my da, 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 da. That ain't the baby, that's
Chasing rich, baby.
Nigga off the top, what the fuck you thought? I ain't gotta wait to kick. If a bitch want me, then a bitch gon' wait. I ain't gotta wait for bitch. If I feel like playing, I'ma play with my kids. I ain't finna play with niggas. I gotta go for every room I got in my crib. You can say I stay with bitch. You can say that I stay with another nigga bitch. You can tell if you play, I'm pissed. You can tell that I'm nothing like none of these rappers. Everybody know baby this. Yeah, no, I'm not no motherfucking tough guy. But if he play with me, pull him up high. Yeah, my bitch, she got pretty skin and pretty eyes. She looks just like TLC left eye. Fucking the most in my city, but if I do, she from the west side. And I can be fucking you bitches for free. You gotta pay me on that fine. We in this bitch now, we on that time. Don't gotta pay for the sauce, so I stack mine. Yeah. And I can wear sweatpants like everything, take your bitch like that. Okay. And you gon' go blow your shit on clothes and shit, but watch me invest. Yeah. And I'ma show other niggas how to get some money. We ain't waiting on tax. And I ain't playing no motherfucking scratch. I'm trying to go get me some money. Yeah. You jobs to my niggas, yeah, bitch, you the realest. I ain't being stingy with money. I told him my pocket is new shit. You can reach in my pockets is blue shit. Yeah. And baby on baby out now. When my shit come on, everybody like who this? Who? I know they gon' copy the flavor. I ain't really tripping, little nigga, I do this. Pull up to the scene with a new one. She know. The bitches I pick like they Nuvo. Them diamonds be dancing like Bruno. Tell Fishy to meet me on Pluto. Tell your bitch to meet me in Miami. I need a vacation, I'm trying to bring two home.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to mention. Walk away. Dance with me, let me rock you to the break of day. Dance with me.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look. I went ahead and just crimped my hair today. I love doing crimps. They just always look good. Like, you really can't go wrong with it. The last time I actually crimped my hair was when I had my hair in like a side part and I had like that money print half shoulder little ensemble on. And the only reason why I crimped this particular wig is just because you really can't do a lot with this wig because of the construction of the unit. Now, this unit is a 13x4. However, it's one of those 13x4s that has minimal space on the sides. Like, there's literally tracks like right here on the sides. Same thing with the middle part. So it's only so much lace before you hit tracks. And then of course you get the typical, you know, lace that's in the middle part. So it's almost like having a U-part wig on, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not really a fan of the construction of this wig and similar types of units. I like when they have the full 13x4 frontal, like a full frontal, like as if you were to buy a frontal and sew it on yourself. Like, that's what I like. But all in all, I do like the actual hair, and I also like the lace on this unit. I don't have any white cast. It was able to melt really nice. And I like the fact that, you know, in today's unit, I didn't even use any baby hairs in it, because you guys know sometimes I like to use baby hairs, and then sometimes I like to go for a more natural type of look, because you don't always have to depend on baby hairs for your hair to look good. It's good to do baby hairs, but sometimes I only do them if I feel like the lace on the unit isn't really melted that well, or if I feel like that particular hairstyle just calls for baby hair. But something like this, you don't really need baby hair, because as you guys can see, most of my edges is covered up with the hair since it's down the middle. Now of course you can do the two right here, but even that, I just feel like it looks good right now just as it is. So here's a close-up look at that, and then you guys can see like my hairline and everything with my hair on the sides, you know? Very natural, very simple. So the key to my crimps is that I always use hairspray before I crimp the hair, because it really like sets everything in, and then you don't even have to use hairspray after, and it's gonna have these really nice defined crimps like this. It also gives it a beautiful shine, as you guys can see. It looks like my hair is like super jet black, and I love that about this hair too. This is my first time, I wanna say, that I've worked with DorHair, and I actually like their hair. One thing that I noticed off top was the fact that the hair is like really soft, and I love that about this unit. I didn't receive any tangling, any shedding at all with this unit. Like, you know, like usually when you wash your hair after you bleach your knots, you usually get like maybe 1 or 2 strands or something like that that's gonna come out. You know, it just naturally comes out. But this hair, I didn't experience any of that. I was happy about that. I was like, okay, the knots are secure on here, the tracks are secure, none of the tracks are loose, everything fits good. The only downside to this particular unit is the construction, and that's just the fact that you don't get a lot of space to do a lot of styles. So if you do pick this unit, you may be stuck with the middle part. You can't really do any deep side parts unless you like tilt your wig a little bit, but it's different tilting your wig when you have a closure versus a frontal. When you have a frontal, you can't really do too much of that tilting, because you have to make sure that the ears line up, you know what I mean? So for that reason, I'm on the fence with this unit, but I do like the actual hair, and I think it's going to look beautiful. And it's actually holding the crimps very well, because sometimes when I crimp my hair, I notice like it falls kind of fast with certain hair. It depends on who it is. Some hair, I crimp my hair and it's just like perfect. This hair is one of those units, but there has been other times where I've crimped my hair and I had to hurry up and film before all of my crimps like started to fall. So that's one thing I will say about this unit, is that it is holding the crimps really good. So if you do style your hair, whether it's curling, crimping, or something like that, I feel like this unit will actually have your hair lasting all day. If not all day, at least part of the day, because one thing about it is I love having curls and stuff like that, but I hate when they fall. Sometimes they fall and it's cute and it's like, oh, it's so beautiful now that the curls have fallen, but not all curls are like that. Let's just be real. So yeah, you guys, that is all that I have to say about this unit from DorHair. This was my experience. If you have purchased hair from them before, let us all know what your experience was down in the comment section below. I'm interested in hearing your story. Did you have a good experience with their hair? Have you ever tried it? Did you like it? Did you love it? Did your mama love it? Did your sister love it? Let me know something down in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions that I didn't cover in today's video, go ahead and drop a comment as well, and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big shout out to DorHair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this unit. If you guys want to know all of the details to this hair, make sure you guys check out that description box for full details on the length, density, what type of lace it is. All of that information will be listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!